it nice, Lizzie? Do you like it?
Yummy.
Is it nice, Lizzie? Is it tasty, Lizzie? Do you like it?
Rena, show Lizzie how you eat your dinner. Come on, because Lizzie's having her dinner already. Yummy. Look, Lizzie's catching up to you. She's having her dinner at the table now.
I got space on my back.
You got some space for dinner?
Oh, she's dropped that cushion.